In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play You Ain't Going Nowhere by Bob Dylan. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
You Ain't Going Nowhere by Bob Dylan. This is an old classic that's been covered by a lot of different people. I think Nitty Gritty Dirt Band did it. Joan Baez made it famous on one of her first her double album, actually. And by the way, thanks very much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. And hit me up with any messages you got or any comments. I'd love to hear from you. So this is a 3-chord wonder. We talk about we've done a lot of easy strum 3-chord wonders, and I think people, really get off on that. I've gotten some great feedback about it. The chords involved in this song, the 3 chords are G, A minor, C, and then back to G. So it is in truth a 3-chord wonder. And I'm going to strum it on the pick. I'll show you a little picking version as well, a little finger picking. And I'm going to play it very basically first. I'll sing a little bit for you. You probably recognize the song if you're a Dylan fan. It sounds like this. Whoo-ee, ride me high. Tomorrow's the day my bride's gonna come. Whoa, Lord, we gonna fly down in that easy chair. Clouds so swift, the rain won't lift. Keep warm clothes, cause the railings froze. Get your mind off of wintertime. You ain't going nowhere. Whoo-ee, ride me high. Tomorrow's the day the bride's gonna come. Whoa, Lord, we gonna fly down in that easy chair. Okay, that's the vibe of the song right there. It's got, as I said, an easy strum thing, and what you can do is, if you basically come down on the what I call the target notes, which in this case it's in the key of G, so your root note is your low G, and then you're just playing a regular G chord. That's kind of the strum. So you hit your low G, then an A, open A chord, and then a C, and you get your low C note. G, A minor, C, G. Okay? So for all you beginners out there, you're people just getting going on guitar, this is a great way to get a song that just has a vibe to it, a great vibe, and you can sing along. It's got a strong chorus. And then I'm going to show you in a second a couple alternate fingerings you can do.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
The first one is by the big G chord, which really rings nice. You got your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, the B3, and then tuck your pinky under. And this chord comes in really handy for a song like this because it gives it a little different color. Right? And then the A minor is fine. What you can do though is you can, and I talk a lot about hammer-ons. can take that first to your index finger and just lift it up. And then you got your C. Now the C you can do it like this if you're comfortable with it, which most people know that version. I would recommend, however, go ahead and do a full C with your G. Your third finger hitting the third fret of the low E string, and it sounds like this. Okay? It's a big cowboy C. So here's what they sound like in slow motion. Here's the full G, and then an A minor, and then here's the full C, and back to your full G. So I'm going to do that one time in time for you, and then you can hear what it sounds like. See how I'm marking those? Okay, now let's talk about, I talk a lot about the things that make it interesting, which is the connective tissue. So that's little walk-ups, walk-downs, hammer-ons. These are things that make it sound a little less folky and a little more, I guess, Americana, a little more hip, okay? So the first one I'm going to show you is a walk-up from E. So you got your open E string, and then E2 to your G chord. This is a classic, like, country rock kind of... show you is it happens on the C. So if you do your walk up, it's a great way to start the song. Straight A minor, you can walk up. Similar version is on the A string. A open, 2 to the chord. So A, second fret, second finger, and then you land on your C chord. So these are things that are optional. You don't have to do them every time. But I want you to have a vocabulary of little licks that go between, because that's what makes it cool and interesting. Now also on that C chord, as long as we're there, you can do a little hammer-on, which is kind of nice. You're basically landing on the D string second fret with your second finger. So you're basically spelling out your C chord and then just hammering it on. Now that comes in really handy in a lot of different applications, okay? And then the final one I want to show you is walking down from the C. So you're hitting an A3, A2, open A, and then land on the G chord. Got that? Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them all together, and I'm going to play them, not every time, I'm going to do a little bit of random, but you'll see how the vocabulary of connective tissue really helps out. Genghis Khan, he could not keep all his kings supplied with sleep. Climb that road, no matter how steep, still ain't going nowhere. Whoo-ee, riding me high, tomorrow's the day the bride's gonna come. Oh Lord, we gonna fly down in the easy chair. Classic Bob Dylan, You Ain't Going Nowhere. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.